Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we get right back on our engine starting stand and see can we use it for the very first time. In the last video, I was supposed to test out my engine starting stand, but we got sidetracked and ended up putting the big bore kit on this 2016 Mad Dog. But I still want to use it. Already taken the head off of the engine that we're going to use for the engine start stand, and it had an A9 cam in it. And I also see why that the engine had low compression. It ran it without oil. I mean, cam bearings and the cam lobes are pretty scarred up. That thing is borderline garbage. And also it had a stock 50cc in it, so it's good that we're doing what we're doing. So very quickly, I'm gonna break this thing down and take it apart, get the bore kit off of here, and we're going to install it on this engine, and then we're going to try to fire up our starting stand.
Moving on, move out the way, gotta get them going. Body slim thick, can't put it on. It's sure lost, still putting on. Still putting on for the things that you didn't. Still making moves, know you wish you could diss me. Still blow a bag, go and cop me a Bentley. Know you regretting the way that you did me. Life is so sweet though. Life is like candy, he wanna grab me, but he can't have me. I'm in your city though. Don't want you back, I'm making you stand on that. It's cool how you gave it up. He do it big, I do it bigger. Slide in the lamb just to make him sicker. Don't want no goofy, I'm out the picture. The truth hurts before it heals, my love. And now he's stressing, I'm gon' heal in love. Go our separate ways.
Well, all right, gang, I'm going to have to stop right here because I just remembered that I robbed the rocker arms off of this big bore kit to put on another bike. You know, robbing Peter to pay Paul. This stock size rockers won't work, not long enough, or whatever the case may be. Need a 64mm rocker arm set. So yeah, you can see if I put these on a BBK, they don't work. You couldn't get enough adjustment in there to make them touch those valves. And the reason for that being is, you see how these valves stick off here a little higher, and if you look at these on the BBK, on this SSM, and pretty much all BBKs are like this, the not the rocker, the valve is shorter on a BBK than it is on a stock head. So yeah. All right, gang, let me tune you guys back into some progress. Okay, now you see I have the engine sitting on this starting stand. I got exhaust hooked up, got a carburetor hooked up. I still got to take these valves off because they're the wrong ones, and put the 64mm valves on, which they just came in from Amazon, and it's about 8:30 at night. So yeah, literally been waiting all day. But it's all good because I've been fighting this starting stand. You see this top is off of it. I've been fighting this thing all day, trying to get it to do what it's supposed to do. So, you know, electrical gremlins out the yin yang, as you probably can, you know, already tell. Hold on, let me see, can I just set it down without sparks? Okay, cool. No sparks. All right, here's our main power, and you see our ignition light comes on. Let me turn it off for a second. Now this button here says lights. Look at that, guys, the box lights up. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn the lights off and give you a better demonstration. We got a hustle light is on right now, but all right, main power on, ignition lights on, and here's our light button. Look at that. Now that thing just lights up. There's a light there, a LED strip on the side. Now there is one on the other side, but it's busted, so I'll probably replace that one later. But yeah, check it out, man. Is that not cool? Okay, gang, the CVT cover is on. The valves have been adjusted with the new rocker arms. I got the valve cover on, and only thing left to do is play with this power button because it's hit and miss. I also have it hooked up to AC power now, so I can work it from the AC. Turn everything off, that's AC power. And also the main 12-volt power works. So yeah, it's been all day figuring this thing out. Only thing left to do is replace this button here, but no big dealio. I have one here from an old ruckus build I was doing, and I'm not doing anymore because the bike is gone. But yeah, this button here is a starter button, so I'm going to just take that one out. I have still have the brand new wiring harness that goes for the back of it, so I'm gonna get to figuring this out, and I'm gonna tune you guys back in the morning. All right, gang, it's the next morning, Sunday morning to be exact, and I gotta hurry and finish this video and get it to you guys. All right, got the start button in. That's the new one, and here is what's left of the old one. Now, I took the old start button, guys, and oh, that's gone forever, and I gutted the sucker out because it's like a 16 or 15 millimeter barrel around it. If you don't know what I mean the size of it around it is like 15 or 16 millimeters, and the one I got here, and just like the one that's in here, it's only a 14, so it kind of wouldn't fit in the hole. So I just gutted it, that way we can use the rest of it as like a washer. So all right, guys, but it's in there and it works. Now, I went ahead and threw a little air intake on. I hope that doesn't give me problems because I've never had that air intake work right. So we'll take it off. And yeah, guys, before I left yesterday, I was like trying to figure out where in the heck to hook the choke up to. Well, yellow and green, yellow and green. The choke wires are right here. I don't know why they wouldn't run with the rest of the wires up here. Probably because the electric choke wire is pretty long and you don't have to. I don't know. But yeah, got that exhaust on, guys. Now it is in true Chinese form, meaning that it doesn't line up right there to bolt to the engine. Well, I tried to bend it and twist it, and it just didn't work, guys. But yeah, over here on this side, I got a bungee cord giving us a little downforce, so this thing hopefully doesn't flop. Now, I haven't started it yet, so we're going to do it with you guys for the first time. So power on. Let me get my chest harness on, and we're going to start this thing up. Okay, got you guys strapped to the chest. I went ahead and put some fuel in, and yeah, got fuel all the way through the filter. It should be filling a bowl now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little bit of an air bubble right there. Now, I did change out the cap for the little fuel tank here with one from my boat tank because it has a vent, and I want the gas to be able to flow without vacuum or anything pulling on it. But all right, without further ado, let's turn this thing on. I'm going to use the AC power side. Now that turns on this little battery charger, so I'm thinking it is charging my battery. So, all right, main power. Ignition's already on, lights are on. So, oh, start button. Okay. All right, it wants to start. We got smoke signals. Let me pump the throttle a little bit. All right, well, it's struggling, man. We know it wants to start. Come on, do it again. All right, let me stop real quick and let's test the spark. Let's make sure this thing is sparking. All right, cool. I have a brand new NGK plug here. You know what? Might need to change the plug out. I don't know. We know it has spark, but let's see if it has good enough spark, because this thing does have one of those orange so-called high performance coils, and I don't like those, but it is what it is. So let's see. Oh yeah, just as I suspected, guys. Man, get you in there. The spark is there, but it is super weak. Should be able to just ground it right there too. Yeah, so all right, cool beans, cool beans. Let's just swap out for a original stock coil real quick. I should have one. Oh, here we go, right there. You can see I take these orange ones and I just chunk them in the box because they're not worth 5 cents. So all right, guys, let me swap this out and I'll turn you right back in. Okay gang, I put in a new coil and basically a stock coil. I don't like these aftermarket coils or CDI boxes. I swapped in a stock CDI box. Our spark is really strong now. So yeah guys, don't waste your money on these orange and blue and red CDIs and coils. They're junk unless it's a brand name like OML or NCY. I don't know who else makes good stuff. I can't think of it right now. Unless it's a brand name, stay away from it. All right guys, so let's turn the power back on. Now this is AC power. I got it all plugged up to the cord. And let's see. Let's run. I think this button is flipped backwards. I think you should be able to slam it down to turn it off. You know, I don't know. But, all right, let's try it again. That's what I'm talking about. Check it out. Can we give it some readies? Is breaking up really bad. Oh, that ain't good. All right guys, well, we got a functioning engine test stand. All right guys, now my plan for this stand is to turn this thing into a dyno, you know, a mini engine dyno for scooter engines. So I've seen some YouTube channels, they have done it for about 500 bucks. But I think this right here is a great start to that, you know. A really, really great start. But yeah, man, now it is breaking up a little bit when you try to rev it. And I'm thinking our issue is our carburetor. That's a stock 18mm carburetor on a 52 millimeter big bore kit, you know. But the engine sound great, no valve noise, nothing. I can tell this tire is a little little warped. Maybe it's just the tire, maybe it's the rim, I'm not sure. But yeah gang, I am really, really happy. So let's see, turn the switch back on. Let's see, will it start right back up. You can't beat that, man. I couldn't be more happy with this right now. So all right guys, I'm gonna see you on the next one. And I think the next video we might be working on the derby. That's what I have the Trail Tech set up for. But I don't like these bars, so I'm gonna play around with some of this off camera, and hopefully see you guys next Sunday. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, tell everybody about the channel guys. 80% of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribers, and I know you watch them. I mean, the watch time hours are telling, they're up there. So please do me a favor, hit the like button, share, subscribe, do all of those things that all the YouTubers always tell you to do, because it really helps us out. All right, see you guys on the next one. Peace.